Hey guys, welcome back to Jade Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. I'm going to take a look at a few things real quick, and we're going to go over a few things. I just wanted to stop in here and just show you guys what is happening in the market. So, let's go ahead and hop on over. Let's connect our socials, and we're going to dive right on into the charts. We're going to dive into the news that's happening, and we're going to dive into, a couple different things in the market here. Yeah, Jay. Okay, so you see. Okay. All right. We're at the charts. We're at the charts. Alright, let me get into my main so I can be into the chat also. Let me just get into there so I can be in the chat. Okay. Mad love. Alright. Let me grab the link. Go here. And I'm going to drop it. Alright. Just dropping some bullish. There's a lot of bullish meme coins and altcoins out there. There's a few that have really good teams backing them up. And I'm just dropping it in for you guys. Bada boom, bada bang. Inside here. And I will just drop. Okay. Come get crypto news. Piggy Inu shout out. And BTC EVMB charts. Okay. Mad love to you guys. Just waiting for everybody to come on in. You give me an oink oink in the chat. I'm going to keep this in here. I just wanted to be able to keep, hey, what's good, what's good? Yep. Go ahead and post it. I'm going to keep doing this so that way I can teach you guys exactly. And we can learn together, and I will always be available throughout all the chats for any questions or comments, because I believe in karma. I believe in giving back to the community. I believe that when you put out positive energy, you get positive energy. Okay? Let me just drop this in my other chat. Crypto news. Okay, one more real quick. Crypto news. Alright. Crypto news. Let me get it in there. And yeah. I'll do a shout out. There's a couple projects that are actually building utility that I know about, and they've been building it throughout this whole past year, waiting for the next bull run. So that's going to be awesome. And the meme coin that we're going to talk about has so much stuff ready to rock and roll for it. So we have a bunch of different things to talk about here. Okay, so let's go to CoinMarketCap so we can dump through the prices real quick. Okay guys, welcome back to Jade Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Today, Today's overall crypto market cap is 954 billion, so we actually did increase over 180 billion since the other day. So the people that were on the sidelines, okay, in these, which I'm going to show you, the stable coins, how the outflow into Bitcoin on some really nice buys. So there's the whale wallets are accumulating when Bitcoin was below that 20K level. Like I show you guys how I accumulate when we're pulling below the 50 EMA on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Those are my accumulation zones. And then after we go above, retest it, and then get a high, that is when you can actually close the trade. Always pay yourself. And I'm going to go ahead and I can show you guys some trades and how to do it. And I'll actually show you through, you can actually set up practice trades. And you can paper trade first to practice, and you can learn from there. So I can show you guys how to do that. And then you can use my sign up link to get a $4,100 bonus, $4,100. After you sign up, you make your deposits, and you qualify for the bonus. And you can use it to trade, and you can withdraw whatever profits you make from that. That's awesome. And you can see that I'm tied into a bunch of different projects. You'll see me all over the place. Jay's Strategies, Trades for Radio. We're growing this channel here. This channel, I want it to be organic, and I want it to be, you know, for the community and for everybody to learn and for everybody to have a place to go to, you know, ask questions or, you know, do whatever you got to do. So we're going to hop into it in a second. Come join morning stream. Learning session. Okay. Alright. Come join morning stream. Learning session. Alright. I just wanted to hit that. I needed to hit for you guys the hashtags. I'm just going to drop out some hashtags real quick so I can share the video across Twitter. Okay. And we are going to, yep, okay, let's hit it like this. Share Twitter. And I'm going to drop that for everybody with my tags and drop that tweet. Let me get off of that. Okay. So we got that. I just wanted to make sure that dropped out as a tweet. Let me go and just make sure that dropped out as a tweet. Okay, yep, here's the tweet. And I'm just going to grab that tweet. Guys, hit that for me. Smash it. Like it. Raid the tweet with tags. Oink. Oink. Okay. So, and will be the main okay. Alright, so we're just, I'm just dropping this into our stream so that way we can get this information out to everybody. So you guys can be chilling. Let me just get this and drop this out. We're going to talk about all kinds of stuff, and let me get up the Cointelegraph for us so we can grab my Cointelegraph. I wanted to show you guys that on the news, and also a couple other things too. We'll take a look at some things, and we'll also take a look at some of the rating and top coins that people are rating. We'll take a look at that, And yeah, we'll take a look at top coins rating. We'll take a look at that, and we'll also take a look at you know, other stuff. Okay, we're just getting it, just sharing it across everywhere, and we're gonna get started. I'm just making sure that everybody's in here. Okay, smash the like for me, guys. Subscribe and hit that bell, because I'm gonna be doing this a lot more often, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make money. Okay. And I'm gonna do it on a lively level. Alright, yes. Love you all. Yeah, boy. Okay. Alright. Okay. So I got the home. I got this. I got it over there. People are hitting it, and we are rocking it. Okay. So we're jumping into coin market cap. Coin market cap, like we were saying, the overall cryptocurrency market right now is actually at okay. So the overall cryptocurrency market cap is at $954 trillion. 24-hour volume at 81 billion. And then you see Bitcoin is at $21,700. It's down 1.18%. But as you know, Bitcoin had a nice little pump for us, a nice little pump daddy. And so that's what we're going to take a look at for the Bitcoin pump. Why? Why did Bitcoin pump? Huh. I don't know. We can analyze that. So ready? We're going to go to the news real quick, and let's just show you guys some stuff. You know, we're just going to switch it up. We're trying different things, you know. All right, so 1 hour ago. Okay, Compass Mining. 15% of staff to pay. Okay, the Bitcoin pattern suggests, yep, look at that. It says 30% raised by October. So, mind games, okay, whatever that would be. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Bitcoin's price chart has targeted 28,000 based on a classic bullish technical pattern. Bitcoin eyes a 30% price rally. So if you look and we read through Bitcoin, okay, let's see some of the top hits for Bitcoin, and you can see, let's see, Bitcoin looks ready to explode. Bitcoin, someone is buying 1 million in Bitcoin per second on Binance. Look at that. That's pretty crazy. Okay, just in. This guy here, Justin, has stepped down as Bitcoin core developer, but will continue working on BTC project. Oh, okay. Just in Texas, miner to use power from batteries. Okay, we want to take a look at the charts. That's why you guys are here. Mainly, this right here is the hybrid system, guys. So if you guys have been rocking out and following, you guys should already know, but I'm gonna give you a little cue pointers right here. This red box is New York session, okay? And right now we're looking at the 1 hour chart. We've been staying above the 50 EMA. We came down here, retested, and pulled up. And then the daily open at 21.6. So that's actually pretty damn good for Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour chart. And you can see we came all the way up to the 200 moving average, and we are testing it, which is right there at the M4 level, where it's just triggering at the 22,500. That's right where that level is, and that's on the 4-hour chart. So as you can see, Bitcoin, the 50 EMA, once we pulled above the 50 EMA, we kept testing it. I talk about this all the time. We actually can test it and pull it up for a second. So if we go ahead and go to YouTube real quick, okay, and let's just see. I want to show you what Bitcoin Hyper has to say real quick about the Bitcoin.
Very interesting one. Let me welcome everyone on the stream, and then of course we are going to go straight into the Bitcoin price prediction and Bitcoin technical analysis.
Okay. I just wanted you guys to see this little
Most probably, if you have been watching my video yesterday, I have been telling to you, Bitcoin simply, in my opinion, did not look weak when we were continuing our way towards the upside at the area of our weekly. We were also mentioning that we do have a level of resistance, which is going to be value area high, volume level at the area of 21,600 US dollars. And what we are going to see, when we hit the level right here, I think I was still live streaming at this area where Bitcoin was trading right here. It looks like that literally no one was prepared to sell Bitcoin. And also we still saw some long positions opening at this specific area. Because I would like to right now show you the combination, what we can be paying attention to in combination with the open interest and also with the delta volume. Delta volume simply means if we do see buying or selling pressure and how much buying and selling pressure is kicking in into the Bitcoin price. And what you're going to see, we were pushing towards the upside on Bitcoin, and we still see open interest going higher and higher and higher. Yes, I would say here we got some short positions getting liquidated right here, but nevertheless not any massive price reaction at this specific area. And also, if we right now go a little bit more in depth, looking at our volume here, let's go maybe on the 30-minute time frame, you're still going to see we saw buying pressure coming into the market. Buying pressure was able to push the price higher. Volume was also looking quite high in my opinion, and on top of that, open interest was still going higher and higher and higher. But what is right now the difference? I think you're going to ask me, what is the difference between when we hit the level at the value area high and also when we hit the level at the daily right here? Why did we get a rejection at the daily and not at the value area high? I mean, you're going to see this entire push towards the upside was fueled by brand new long positions opening. They were able to push the price higher. And even, for example, right here, I would say open interest going higher and higher. I would say we actually got a little bit less volume, bullish volume increase, but at the exact top, what we are going to see. Exactly what we were hoping for, because I was telling you this yesterday. We got one of the biggest bullish pressure kick, and you can see that if we compare right now bullish pressure that was coming into the market at this area or at this area, this one right here, this spike is much higher than what we got right here. And also, of course, if we go right now with our volume platform right here on the 30-minute time frame, it really looks like we got the most buying pressure kicking into the market at the exact high. If we right now look at the delta right here, this is simply going to mean how much more buying pressure we are seeing over selling pressure. 24 million of buying pressure kicked in. If we right now look at this buying pressure right here, 14 million, 10 million, 12 million, 11 million. So at the exact high, we got the most buying pressure of all of this entire push towards the upside kicked into the market. But the difference with this buying pressure kicking in was the open interest. Every single time you're going to see when we got when we got buying pressure kicking into the market, we got open interest increase. Also, for example, at this area, buying pressure coming into the market, open interest got also a push towards the upside. But the difference with this push towards the upside we got after we hit the daily level of resistance, it was we got the biggest buying pressure, but we also got open interest push towards downside. What could that mean? People getting stopped out of their short positions, people getting wrecked, potentially liquidated. And yes, we are going to see, if we right now go with our aggregated liquidations, I mean, people getting wrecked all over the place. Liquidations coming into the market, open interest got a push towards the upside, towards the downside, and of course, insane buying pressure coming into the market. Bearish indication, we got the reaction, we got a wick towards the upside, and we got a push towards the downside on the Bitcoin price. At the moment, I am in a short position already for Bitcoin. My first take profit area was already hit, but nevertheless, if we right now do see a bigger push towards the downside, of course, I am still sitting in my long position, and also at the moment, I'm in a short position, of course, from the area of...
Okay, so we saw what Bitcoin Hyper said. You guys just got a little bit of a view of what's going on there, just to understand. But yes, the Bitcoin chart. I'm gonna go to the daily over here and give you what I'm seeing here as far as a breakdown. And if you guys have been following, you see this 50 EMA right here, okay, at 24/7. That's gonna be a strong overhead resistance. All right, let's go back down into a smaller time frame and see what's happening with the Bitcoin price here. Okay, you can see how we tested the 50 and then we bounced. I always wait for that. So when we pulled above here, I was like, okay, we're gonna come back and we are gonna test this 50 at some point, you know, and we did. And we actually got the blue candle stopping volume, and that stopped us right here at when New York at right above the daily open 21.6. We got up to the 22.100, and then now we're coming back to the 50 EMA, which is awesome. That's definitely something that everybody has been waiting for. Okay, you can see the S&P market. The S&P market has actually pulled down, and it has... Okay, so it's in the New York box. We had a bullish start to the day. It looks like it went below the daily open, and then we spiked up. So, you know, the markets are looking good. But the DXY, okay, if you look at it, is out of control. The DXY is all the way up at 107, so it's screaming high. Usually when this happens, you know, for Bitcoin and the other coins, you know, it's a pullback. On CoinMarketCap, you can see these meme coins bullish, very, very bullish, and you know, some really good teams out there that have made some coins and a lot of different utility and stuff like that. Shout out to Piggy Inu. Definitely he's been bullish. The team's working very well. And you can see the price, you know, over the past few days, how it's fluctuated a really nice amount for us here. That's pretty damn cool. Okay, go back to the beginning. We're going to talk about XRP real quick. Look, XRP at 33 cents. So we're going to hop over here. We go to XRP at 33 cents. I love that because look how we sat here and then now we're catching that. So let me go to the 1 hour for XRP. Let me hit auto, turn auto off. And then I look at that. We're riding right on this 50. So I hope that now that we tested this 50, okay, on the 1 hour, that we can continue to hold this price here at 33 cents because we pulled right from that, you know, once we got to 33 from the 32 that we were talking about. Let's go down to the 30-minute time frame just to see what's happening there. So it's testing the bottom part of when the New York session opened, and then that's what we had happening there for XRP. And then in the 4-hour session for XRP, if the next candle closes, okay, so technically it could come down even to, 33. So 33 is a really, really good level for XRP here. We pulled up, we hit the 200. It pulled back down, so hopefully, you know, we either bounce from this area to pull back above it, or we just, you know, retest this area, and then it doesn't matter, you know, as long as we consolidate within this area, that'll be very, that'll be nice, you know. I'm definitely a big XRP holder because XRP's got a lot of stuff back in it, man. You know, it's just, that's the name of the game. Don't forget to stop by Twitter. We're blowing up. We're just dropping all the stuff for today. We got the Piggy Indu shout out for the chart. Very, very bullish. Drop your memes and gems because we look for the best ones to hop into. Okay. Dogecoin. We talked about Dogecoin. Dogecoin, you guys did see a spike to 6.98. Okay. And then back to the EMA at 6. So this looks like a strong range on the 4 hour from coming from here, 6 cents. You know, if we can get back above that 200 and we can get the 50 to cross back up here, definitely would be bullish. Shout out to Babyswap, man. Holding stable at 9 cents. Cardano at 46. So Cardano did have its pump. It's retesting that 50 EMA right here on the 4 hour. So on the 1 hour, it went and it hit psychological high and then bounced. So that's definitely good. Solana, I wanted to show you guys. Solana actually went and then did its little retest and then pumped. So that's something that I want to see. You know, I want to see. That's a good pump that we want to see in the in the market. Let's go ahead and stop back over here on the news side. So let's go back to the news side real quick. And hop into the news here. See what else. Bitcoin price builds best weekly candle since March. Okay. And the US dollar is breaking out again. Celsius moved 529 worth of wrapped Bitcoin to FTX. Should we be worried? Dumping more than 500 million Bitcoin into the market. Celsius moved. Okay. Bitcoin surges to 20, but analysts move could be a fake move. Survey shows 55% of crypto investors choose to hold Bitcoin and altcoins prices collapse. Bitcoin miners sell their holdings and ASICs prices keeps dropping. What's next for the industry? So let's see what this is saying, because the network is really, really important. Like I've been telling you guys, they've been building this network, and this is important. If you have a big, strong network, you have a strong coin. Okay? So we're definitely seeing some bullish stuff happening there. Crypto mining companies are going belly up. So a lot of mining companies that got loans and stuff like that because of the crypto drop, they're going into debt. Let me see. Also have an effect. The price of the miners, the price of buying the unit versus how much Bitcoin you are getting. The miners usually accumulate, and they're saying that miners are selling. Okay. Around 20 seems like a good deal. Let's see, what is the state? Okay, the short, straight, skinny profitability is in this. So miners with too much debt, high operation cost, or both are being shaken out. Hash rate will grow much more slowly this year than anticipated. All right, well, you know, there's bullish and bearish stuff in the market, but right now we are rocking out, and we are seeing some real nice bullish movement to the upside. So let's celebrate, be happy, guys. Always make sure you take your profits when you're in trades. You know, do your own research and make sure you always stay safe, guys. Don't forget to stop by all the social channels and all the different projects. If you got any questions, you can stop by and say what's up. And that's about it, guys. We'll do another video like this. Maybe later we'll hop on, we'll talk, we'll chill, and take it from there. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. This is Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much